hey, I want to show you my little Mall Ninja gun, right? I wanted to see about how much stuff I could hang on a gun and how cheap I could get it. So what I've got here is a $50 optic, and I'm not a big fan of putting $50 optics on working guns, you know, maybe airsoft guns or whatnot. But this one was pretty sturdy. I was very surprised how heavy duty it was when I got it out of the box and how easy it was to put together. I have to get it out on the range and see how well it holds zero, but for this $50 optic, variable power 3x9 or 329x40, right? It comes with, you got the scope, and then it's got a red dot, and then it has a laser. And the scope itself has rails on the top and the sides, so the red dot and the laser can come off. And I'm probably going to take the red dot off and put it on one of my boys' guns. And I had the laser sitting on the end of the barrel, right, to mess with it. But I found that when I put it on top, that it actually shot out to where the reticle would be on the scope. So, you know, kind of co-located, which is nice. And, you know, this whole gun was, let's see how cheap I could get it, how much junk I could throw on it. It's my, hey, I'm coming to your house with the zombie apocalypse gun, right? So I give this to somebody. My wife thinks it's very impressive, right? But, you know, I give it to the guy who is unprepared and let him deal with all this junk, right? So, and I say junk not in, you know, quality of the stuff, but just how much things actually hung on the gun.